Hi, I'm Patrick from Music Ally, and in this video, we're going to talk about remarketing using Meta. There are lots of sources within Meta audiences that you can use to set up remarketing lists, but in this video, we want to highlight a few that we think are key for the music industry. First, let's talk about website visitors. Using the website audience, you can create an audience of people who have visited an artist or label's site or other landing page. You will need to set up a Meta pixel on the site beforehand to generate the audience. Then you'll be able to set up a custom audience of all website visitors, visitors of specific pages or events, or visitors who spent a specific amount of time on the website. Depending on the size of your audience and the focus of your advertising campaign, you may either want to keep the audience as wide as possible with all website visitors audience, or get more specific and target people who visited the shop page, for example, if you're promoting a new merch product. Next, we also recommend you set up engagement audiences. Meta can create custom audiences based on user activity on a Facebook page and Instagram account. Within these sources, there are options to create audiences based on engagement. We recommend using the Everyone Who Engaged with This Professional Account option, which encompasses users who have visited the profile or taken any action, including likes, comments, saves, and more, on a post or ad. The audience can be made up of people who engaged up to 365 days ago. So again, if your artist or brand has a smaller audience, you may want to keep the audience as wide as possible using the 365 days. Though, if you're trying to reach your artist's most engaged audience, they're likely to be people who have engaged in the last 60 days or so. You can also replicate this engagement audience for Facebook if it's a priority platform for your artist or brand. Simply select Everyone Who Engaged with Your Page option and choose the number of retention days. Finally, this next type of remarketing audience is a game changer, and it's basically based on followers. Social platforms like Facebook and Instagram have made it notoriously difficult to reach all of a page or account's followers organically. With the saturation of content in the feed and the competition from advertising, it's been estimated that organic posts only reach about 5 to 12% of your followers. Now you have the option to create custom audiences, including anyone who currently likes or follows a Facebook page or anyone who follows an Instagram account. This essentially provides you with a wide pool of people who are not only already familiar with the artist or brand, but have shown another level of engagement by choosing to follow the account. This audience gives you the ability to target followers over time, so not just those who have engaged recently. This is a great way to bring followers back into your engaged audience by warming them up with new content. Now, the real power of these audiences, however, doesn't lie with just one of them. Combining them and using them for different types of campaigns gives you the ability to get very granular with your audience targeting. For example, you may want to run a re-engagement campaign targeting followers but excluding recent engagers, giving you a chance to bring people back down the fan funnel. If you're interested, let us know and we can show you more on this topic. That's all for now. Setting up these three types of audiences according to your needs are a great basis for a remarketing strategy, allowing you to reach a wide range of engaged fans who are more likely to take desired actions and re-engage with an artist and their current promotional activity. Remember, there are lots more audience options to explore within Meta, so if you want a deep dive into remarketing and Meta ads, check out our 2 courses linked below this video. This has been Patrick from Music Ally, bringing you this video on Meta ads.